This is some important formula for the plane. Let's start it. It's the important formula. Direction of cosine of a line, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma along the x-axis. Direction ratios joining 2 points. Then after we have next one, important formula. This projection of line joining of 2 points P and Q, where AB is equal to PQ considered in the plane. General equation of plane is that. Then equation of plane in terms of interception is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. Normal form of the plane is Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p, where p is a perpendicular from the plane. Reduction of the general equation of a plane to the normal form. How do we reduce? This is in this way we reduce in two forms. Then after we go to the plane chapter, explain of this solution of the this is three-dimensional geometry. This solution of this one. Then this is the how to find the equation of the plane in the intercept form. The intercept made by the plane and on any coordinate axis, that is x, y, z, any coordinate axis, is the distance from the origin to the point. Origin to that distance at which the plane made the axis, and which the plane. This is the plane. This is the one plane. Triangle. This is the one plane. P, Q, R as the one planes. The general equation of the plane is given. We know that in this capital form. It doesn't matter. Intercept in the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis at a point R. This is given. Since this point lie on the plane, and this is one plane, so that we have one side. Then it comes in the a is equal to minus d by a. Similarly, b is equal to put this value in the equation first. This equation first, and we get this one. This one. If we put the solution, and finally this is the required plane in the intercept form. We know that x upon a, y upon this. Find the equation value of the x minus 1 upon 2, y plus 2 by 3, and meet the plane. This is the one line which meet the equation. This the given equation of plane is that. We know that given equation of plane is that. We suppose that there is r. We suppose there is r. So because equation of plane is given that. This one is the equation of plane. It's given from the equation first, second, and third. We derive the value of r from equation second. This one. From equation second, we derive For equation 3 and third 4 means second, third, 4. We derive the value of r from the equation second and third. This second and third we have concluded that the value of x, y and z and the point of intersection is this is the point of made. The point of intersection how to find. Next is find the equation of plane containing the lines through the origins. Containing the line through the origins with the direction cosine proportional to that. That means find the equation of plane containing the lines through the origin. That line passes through the origin. Means if a plane contain a line normal to the plane will be. That is any plane through the origin is given that x plus b plus c is equal to 0. We know that. Any plane through the origin is that. If a plane contain a line or line is normal to the plane. If contain line, plane contain a line, this is the line contained by plane. That is normal to the poles. That is pole means one point. Normal to the plane. Line is normal to the plane. This is plane. This is line. This is normal to the plane. Normal. Planes normal to the plane will be perpendicular to the line lying on the plane. That is, this is perpendicular to the plane. This line is also perpendicular to this. So this condition will like x plus b plus c is equal to 0. That is x due to the perpendicular condition. So we have to put this value 2a plus 0 and by using multiplication 2 value we use 1 not 1 2 times 2a plus we use this ones and this one, and then we can go to the conclusion by using the cross multiplication method where lead to the value of a b c, and we substitute the value in the equation first. And for the value of the plane, find the number 1 intercept on the coordinate axis. Number 1 intercept distance of the plane from the origin. What is the distance of the plane from the origin? Given equation is that we know that. On the intercept form we have to divide by 4 to make a single one, which is at the top we might have to bring here y x intercept is equal to a is equal to y intercept is equal to b is equal to z intercept. And to reduce the general equation to the first degree into the normal form, we have to reduce the number. We should have to divide each term by this coefficient of x, y, and z. That is normal form. We come into the normal form, which is in the form order, where the p is the distance from the origin. Hence, p. This much.